Therefore, near for me, war news can crabby. I was a made baba, me was street no soon. My animal bear with me. No news can crabby concerning Asante Kotoko, next coach, one sensible. Now, when I'm console, I make a baby, and I'm saying there be news with you. Mint also. I was send me the updates on MIT for the for Vision FC full coach, your friend, Nana Kwaku. Na Kwaku Agyemang na Yakubu ni di say enka omra Kotoko fabro ni a tiemiye mesraw wadaroma tiemiye pa Kotoko fon ko fa ne say ombeye the main coach of Kotoko demom no ohede wo timi etete nko mmofra no ema omo beye great a adwen ne say empadifo fa obia onim Ghana Premier League na on say Vision FC omu 2 seasons in the Ghana Premier League enti onim Ghana Premier League no pa adam say onim Ghana Premier League omra na omesum as assistant for Brunia Kotoko be fasa Kotoko fa Brunia omo mpanyifo no sadi we mimi hu ni say emwa Kotoko a mistake but me dey say my adwen no ne say my adwen dey say me small boy e bia my adwen na me so me kire no panyifo ne ehu nioma bia me hu so enti sa no mbeye na sa ne beba so na me choro sa omudi da do mbeye ne sa based on the navy information I mean say can there. Nature say so what to say Kotoko befa assistant coach or Ghana Premier League no man. See the free into a safe I say open your friend and Kwaku Agyemang. More related story about Asante Kotoko news you. And so aha me de Asia ewo super no so. We see a wine neighbor still na Fredachi. And I say, Professor Agyemang Ochere. And I say, George a free. And I say, a bayer fufurubi. No question, they say. And Comodiano, to say no. A ya could see Obia, Obina time for Kumasa Asante Kotoko. Yempe Obia only time for Kumasa Asante Kotoko. Inti die mpanyifo be fa ne se onye adwuma no na chese oyobia na me no kra nim nie obenya time for your beloved club Asante Kotoko ukuma pema apembeba is amotu yemfa nkotwa loto da eno ho nso nsem kakra e wa ha me de Asia enra ena me be di bange story bia na ejentre ha e wo media no se Kotoko e ko Brazil ni striker ya fe no Andre Santos sansem na no pe Kotoko company fo asa ba bonten de abehwu se yanka nchire adasa se sansem no kraba ku sei enim enti eronso ne kakra ewo ho a updates kakra bi ewo ho a me de broka hunu say this weekend Asante Kotoko ebeko bechem na on Bechem United e dey akopie so March day 33 I don't know bronye beka say penultimate game so the penultimate game no Bechem for no nyoma mu ademo yemfa no kra enkase Bechem for baby omoda no relegation zone into World Cup no what match we no Oma fa no World Cup yes mamen kanesa match we ya match a Oma fa no World Cup pa na Asante Kotoko nso wawura top 4 no mu no odi agro no ko lose game na ebe slip Kotoko out of the top 4 because Kotoko more brand this season crown. At least they should secure a top 4 spots our Ghana Premier League so that next season they shall see at the top 4 competition. Kotoko, every part now or they are prepared for the season that you need. Sorry about you. Eti top 4 Kotoko baba. Ejina Kotoko ni bechem United game also. Kotoko nso ni bechem United were very good relationship. Na game we dey me no. I told you answer na see me ya ni eka. I see this game as a game it will be very difficult for Kotoko to win. And maybe it is going to be a drawn game. But maybe me Kotoko nti Kotoko win a mepe nanka bechem last game no monko fight so mbeti avoid relegation I am going all out because yani abre amanfo ka se bechem no a difficult opponent than 11 wonders no until this time yemfa enkoda no ento ba bi kura na yemfa empanyifo no ambobo no na no kra ne say eni kwansi eyi nkoda no nsumu nkoda no last performance omoma no was a very good performance which needs encouragement. Let me tell you what I say. Enti nkoda no was a feature at least 5 children, and I say 5 children, 5 young players, you know. Any kwasi eyi omumu the 20-man squad Kotoko e de be rasa game no no I was say enkoda no epiem na still na omochiro omobobre say they are indeed ready for Asante Kotoko next season. Coach Hamza Obey the interim are also to the end of the season. Now Coach Hamza Obey come on so kakra wa ha and I'm say oh bono humo then a man 4% obey the second assistant. But I'm comediano at an appropriate time you be ye. I was a coach Hamza Obey man and Nico the youth team also. Therefore we are more fan chairman menam crop but mo don't be say asemno e fa Kotoko hu na nya bape metwa video na to mama. It was a menam promo higher Asafo market and menam no be a blog man Asafo market and now we over there Asafo market jami be pe ko bi ni momone ne atosode kakra won say a weekend na a weekend sa no senior man was me gbowura dum na me be didwa kakra so and I'm say me nuanom mo abro chire ni ade no Oba Ghana ache nti sama gbawura Asafo market dia na e was me di video about Asafo market ene de kika ho nyina ebrem nti Asafo market ena me twa be we efri Asafo market ni but yan talk about Asante Kotoko common so nti coach Hamza Obey no wow wo hwe no minim de wa won so adwen sie o say your man be part of the assistant coach of the main side na say koba sa na wonya sure say hey sorry we dey fan chame me ko fa bola for no car no ho na sente free obanya asem ketua fan chame me na Asafo market intia to kubi abelemu nya better kra so Asafo market na me wonu it is wrong mau biu ni eti the one common si aye no e wo say Hamza e manani e Kotoko youth no so yes one onye adwuma no na middle league na omabodru middle league we win the first game, we win the second game, no we win the third game. Kotoko youth side na qualifier omobobo division 2. Middle league no omobo free round of 32, ni abo round of 16, ni abo quarter final, the last 8. And teams are ube PM the last 8 no mu nyina no ma qualifier moba abebo the division 2 league no eno ne enhyehyeye no sa pepepe na etie so the match no nti yemfa yem pipe enta Kotoko youth still no echi ewo ho braso ewo Asafo markets nti sana aye ewo Asafo markets obi bisam se mekota krade ana se cape anta Asafo market ne cars na konkan ne ade no agumpa nti senior man bi bisam se meko takrade ana se cape adam se me bahaya blog man de me wo Ghana Kumasi ya but be bedidwa na menuanom Kotokofo adaromant the news never made the update no eden ebremo. Now the news is that coach Kwaku Agyemang here sa Kotoko befa assistant bia na obeye broni ni behia obi a obenne ne beye adwuma Kotoko 24 no based on an area report I'm inside can say almost settle on coach Kwaku Agyemang Nana Kwaku Agyemang or Tebrofo say we are very young coach ever players developing tactics near there unim sada ne pa the news no na obi busam say sa amasa anso na Kotoko kofa bibini a yenyina yenuma is the management and I said the board going to force Kwaku Agyemang to the main coach ana nyame no kura nim no eno ho so nsem ne say enti eno no ho asem ne say sa ekoba sa na it is going to be a negotiation between the new local coach and Nana Kwaku Agyemang. The new local coach in Jutum. Now, yes, on the bay. Okay, yes. So, no, a home say, a home and say, I don't know. Now, a home and say, and so, I don't know. Yes. So far as I know, dear, I don't so I want to say no. Sir Kotoko eventually decided to prefer Bibini as a head coach. It is going to be the negotiation between Kotoko head coach Bibini Krombefano and the Kwaku Agyemang. Say Kwaku a man assistant, no Jituma, now Kwaku an assistant. But ideally, to say the American, they say football no. So be by Jumana, Nipana would the head coach a Jumana Manono. Or no he assistant coach or Bepesa on any bay Juma, no Hobertona, now on any Jumano. And you can say club no and a copy assistant coach at the new coach no. A copasana at the contradictions be bring ever because maybe assistant coach who can a different philosophy and a head coach Sukra a very different, entirely different philosophy. So if both philosophies they do not conform, you see at the end of the day Kotoko no never suffer. And to say recently be a happy Kotoko was suffering because assistant coach I know which is Prince, yes, Nanu ya Prince Ousu and the head coach Karim Zito. And sensem bebree ena eba ya ekofa we nyina e de ba ya ene Kotoko eco season, you know, without winning a Ghana Premier League. So the method. Therefore, tell me an abrabobu no me lecturer ba kwa me ne no Amstead. On the kind of say the uye biano must be guided by history. So decision be a take biano must be guided by history. So sir, ye kai ho about the history lessons tembiano. The decision we take will be somehow best. And they say, you know, Kotoko biggest decision I also take as a club to find a very competent management. So right now it be forced on the clubs to find a very competent management so that we are going to have a competent coach out of whatever management I ever imagine, you know, because for the past few years now, some of the very things I have club, you know, are management decisions. And when him say, coach or baby, he's under a management. Therefore, we should get the best from the management to be a baby. See, in a good management, I may sure say, Sayo Manoma will kind sorry. So, whatever the decision is that Kotoko will be considering the Vision FC coach, you know, so I'm for Brunia, Vision FC coach, you know, and more than Prim said, Ombemana assisted Bruni, you know. In the events of Man for Bruni, so no more for Bibinina, Everton, no, I pay a competent assistant, no, Agyemang.